Laka, you are the goddess of rejuvenation, restoration, of healing and celebration through my union with the healing energies of the earth. You invite me to joyfully dance upon the earth, in the mantle of sound and light arising from her crystalline core. I am a member of one global family. In Laka, you inspire me to awaken and hear the call, to step powerfully into the role of planetary server, which I came here to be. I am an awakener. I am a transformer. Your beauty flows forth and embraces me as I remember I am a child of the rainbow light, a star nation child. I came here to hold the light at this time.